Cangrejitos de Guayaba y Queso. After the snack, I sit down to do my homework. Fractions again. Sometimes that's how I see my brain, divided into parts. A trick Grandma taught me is to think of fractions like the number of pieces you'd cut out of a flan. The number that would add up to a whole flan is the number on the bottom, and the number of pieces that I'm going to eat is the number on top. So it'd be something like 7/8, because I always make sure to leave one piece for Mommy. The doorbell rings. I walk over to the window upstairs very quietly, making sure my footsteps don't make noise. I take a peek around the curtain to see who it is. I'm only allowed to open the door to Doña Esperanza or Lisa, because they know that I'm home alone while Mommy is at work. It's the mailman. He's left a small package next to the door. When I see the mail truck turn the corner, I run to get it. It's addressed to me. Even though it doesn't have a return address, the handwriting looks familiar. The script is elegant and light, and the words lean slightly to the right. The package has a weird shape. It's long and thin and doesn't weigh much. For a second, I wonder if I should wait for Mommy before opening it. But since it's addressed to me, I decide not to wait. Inside the package there is another box wrapped in a paper bag with a note folded inside. I immediately recognize the handwriting. It's from Grandma. Dear Celeste, I know you miss me as much as I miss you. Don't be sad. Where there is love, there is no sadness. Remember, just as everything comes, everything goes. It's the same with this sadness you are feeling. While I may no longer be there with you, there's a way that you can feel that we're still together. When you prepare the meals we used to enjoy, stop for a second and take in the aroma. I promise you that the first bite will take you back to when we were together. Try this whenever you miss me. I know this will work. Remember me with love and flavor. Your grandma that loves you, Rosa. I unwrap the box inside and find myself holding a bar of guava paste and a note. On it is Grandma's recipe for Cuban croissants, her Cangrejitos de Guayaba y Queso. We used to make them every Sunday before lunch or whenever company showed up unexpectedly, because in our home, people show up unexpectedly all the time. My friends tell me that this doesn't happen at their houses. No matter how old or how young you are, you must call ahead and make an appointment. Grandma used to say that calling ahead was like going to the dentist instead of visiting a friend. But in Cuba, her island, half the fun of visiting friends was to surprise them. I asked her what happened when people came from far away and no one was home. They'd wait around for a very long time to see if the family would come back, she said. And if they didn't return by the time it got dark, then the visitors would leave a note saying that they'd stop by. You see, the note was important, because even if you missed the visit, you'd still get to enjoy the surprise, to know that someone cared enough about you to come by. I smiled, thinking that Grandma was doing the same thing to me now with her letter.